Hello everyone, welcome back to Stock Market Meridian. Today is 14 July 2026 and you're watching today's post-market report. Let's begin our video with today's market action. Indian markets witnessed a volatile trading session today as we expected. Both Nifty and Sensex opened with gap down following weak global cues and rising geopolitical tensions. Throughout the day, markets remained volatile with sharp swings. By the closing bell, Nifty 50 ended around 0.6% lower while Sensex closed nearly 0.7% down. However, one positive takeaway was that despite such heavy negative sentiment, Nifty 50 successfully managed to hold above the crucial 24,000 level, indicating that buyers are still defending this important support zone. Looking at the sectoral performance, Realty and PSU bank sector emerged as the biggest loser, while pharma and healthcare sector outperformed the market and closed in positive territory as investors shifted towards defensive stocks. Now let's move to the biggest geopolitical update. The situation in West Asia has escalated dramatically once again. Major attacks on commercial oil tankers in Strait of Hormuz have created fresh concern across global energy markets. Two commercial vessels were MT Al Bahia and MT Mombasa were attacked while passing through the Strait of Hormuz. A total of 46 crew members were on board these two ships, including 30 Indian seafarers. Sadly, amongst the Indian nationals, one seafarer lost his life, while several others were injured. Reports indicated that 11 Indian crew members were injured across the both vessels, with two of them currently in serious condition. Following the incident, Indian Ministry of External Affairs strongly condemned the attacks and officially summoned the Deputy Chief of Missions of the Iranian Embassy in New Delhi to register a strong diplomatic protest. Meanwhile, military tensions in the region continue to intensify. Insurance costs for commercial shipping have surged sharply, while Brent crude oil is trying to touch $90 per barrel as traders began pricing in the risk of supply disruption through one of the world's most important oil transportation routes. Adding to the tensions, the United States has carried out its third consecutive night of targeted airstrikes near the Strait of Hormuz, focusing on Iranian military positions in an effort to secure international shipping lanes. Overall, still no one is ready to step back from this conflict. Don't know more how many days will take this conflict to cool down. Before moving ahead, here's a quick reminder. Every morning before the market opens, I upload a detailed pre-market report, and also every evening after market close, I bring you a complete post-market report covering global markets, companies updates, economic developments, geopolitical events, and everything that can impact the Indian stock market. So if you don't want to miss any important market updates, make sure to subscribe to Stock Market Meridian and press the bell icon. Now let's move to our next update. According to the Z Business report, India and Russia are currently discussing a potential agreement to jointly manufacture Russia's next generation S-500 air defense missile system under the Make in India initiative. This would build upon the successful S-400 partnership and could create a manufacturing opportunity worth 25,000 crores to 30,000 crore rupees. If the agreement materialized, two major defense PSUs are expected to be benefited significantly, that are Bharat Dynamic Limited and Bharat Electronics Limited. This could become a major long-term opportunity for Indian defense sector. However, please note that this is not official confirmation yet. The information is currently based on Z Business News report. Next update is India's online gaming industry has approached the Supreme Court once again by filing a review petition against its earlier judgment regarding GST. The companies are requesting the courts to reconsider its May 27th verdict, which upheld the government decision to levy 28% GST on online gaming. More importantly, the Supreme Court has also upheld the government's retrospective tax notices worth more than 1.5 lakh crore rupees. Overall, gaming companies argued that implementing such massive tax demands could severely impact the entire industry, and therefore they are seeking a review of the judgment. Now let's discuss about Bajaj Consumer Care. Bajaj Consumer Care shares witnessed a sharp correction today, falling nearly 12%, marking the stock's biggest single-day decline since March 2020. Trading volumes are surged significantly, indicating aggressive selling by both institutional and retail investors. Interestingly, this decline came immediately after the company announced an excellent set of quarterly results yesterday. The stock has already rallied almost 150% during 2026 and nearly 190% over the past 1 year, prompting many investors to book profits. Despite delivering strong revenue and profit growth on both year-on-year, quarter-on-quarter basis, analysts believe that stock's premium valuation, currently around 35 times in financial year 2027 estimated revenues, lead to today's correction. However, brokerage firm Nuvama Institutional Equities has maintained its buy rating and increased its target price from 550 rupees per share to 760 rupees per share, expecting margin improvement from December quarter onwards. Next update is from IT sector. TCS has been selected as a strategic technology partner for the brand new international terminal at John F. Kennedy International Airport in New York. The project is part of the airport's massive $19 billion modernization program. TCS will design, develop, and manage the airport's complete digital ecosystem, including passenger processing system, infrastructure management, enterprise applications, and cybersecurity. Using its AI-powered platform like Cogniz and Ignio, TCS aims to improve passenger movement, baggage tracking, terminal operations, and overall customer experience through intelligence automation. This is one of the positive signs for TCS stock. Now moving to the NBCC order update. NBCC has secured multiple project management consultancy contracts worth 500 crore rupees. The biggest project worth 430 crore rupees has been awarded by the Rajasthan Council of School Education for constructing 2,256 science laboratories across 922 government schools. The company has also received 60 crore infrastructure project from BEL. Additionally, NBCC has secured 2 CSR projects funded by Power Finance Corporation, including tourism infrastructure in Mizoram and a school building project in Goa. Next update is Welspun Corp has won fresh export order worth nearly 1,400 crore rupees for supplying specialized pipes used in global oil and gas projects. This product will be manufactured entirely from the company's Indian facilities. Following these new orders, Welspun Corp order book has been increased to 23,650 crore rupees, providing strong revenue visibility over the next 2 financial years. Now let's discuss today's quarterly results. Jindal saw reported revenue of 4,452 crore rupees, registering a healthy 9% year-on-year growth, but revenue declined 3.9% sequentially compared to previous quarter. Net profit came in 90 crore rupees, declining 78.1% year-on-year and also 26.6% decline in quarter-on-quarter. The company's net profit margin dropped nearly 2%. EBITDA stood at 415 crore rupees, down from 40% year-on-year, while EBITDA also declined sequentially 4.6% on quarter-on-quarter. Overall, although the companies continued to achieve revenue growth, rising raw material costs and operational expenses have significantly impacted the profitability and margins. As of the time of recording this video, Jindal Saw is only company that has announced its quarterly results. I will cover all the remaining important Q1 results in tomorrow's morning pre-market report. So these were all the important market updates for today. If you found this today's report useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Stock Market Meridian. I will meet you again tomorrow's morning with another detailed pre-market report before market opens. Until then, thanks for watching. Signing off. Bye bye. Jai Hind.